It's gonna be that far down, I promise. Like
It looks good.
It's gonna be further. Well, let's take.
You're gonna have to trim your hair after.
Like, it's not, that point's gonna be pretty accurate. There's only like that much of your hairline there.
It's gonna look
Especially once
fine.
But should we make it a
Oh, we have
steeper point? I think so.
6 viewers.
A steeper point, yeah.
Who's watching?
Like a quarter minute, like, okay. Sharper.
Ooh. Oh, there it goes.
We can always take away.
Do you need another Velcro?
No.
Lonnie is watching.
Hi, Lonnie.
Hi, Lonnie. Where you at, fool?
Miranda from Facebook Live. Why does it blur out the picture?
Lonnie said, I'm at work, fool.
Can you hear me? Why does it blur out like that? Okay. Can't work around the shoulders. That is the pointiest point I've ever seen. That looks way better. It's not rounded.
Nice.
It's just because I had to twist those corners right there. But like the...
Kenzie, are you gonna do it?
I don't know if I want to be liable.
Liable.
You can't really mess it up.
Thank you for the confidence.
We're gonna have the only girl that doesn't cut hair in here do it.
No. Okay, Mackenzie's about to shave my head.
Wish me luck, Dad.
There we go. Okay, I fixed that side. Let me do this one real quick. Look down. Don't move. Look down, don't move. Okay. Okay. Show me the best sectioner ever. Sectioner. Do you have a Velcro?
Yeah. Hang on. Please hold. There's one right there.
I showed Shelby that. Yeah, she did. Shelby, you know what that is? She's like, this. All right, Kenzie. So, what I would do is just take.
Okay, so next thing I'm gonna do is shake your legs.
I would just take this and just chop, okay, to leave a few inches there, right? Okay, just to get the bulk away. Same thing here, same thing there. And then with her clippers, do you want a 1 guard? What do you want? Do you want a 1 guard or what? She does it.
1.5?
Yeah. So when you do that, so you don't go into her hair, you're gonna take
Huh?
this. Hey, you're the worst client ever. Okay,
You should
take
fade
the
it.
comb,
Do a 0 to a 1.5.
so you don't run into here, right? Okay, I will. Fine. Okay.
Are you gonna do it?
She's gonna cut it. Yeah. And then I should.
Hang on. I'm gonna prop this up because I'm going
Oh
to.
yeah, people just straight saw my mouth.
It's all right.
I need to put a Velcro in front of where it gets shaped. Is it right here? Hold up. We're just like normal scissors. I'm getting nope. Okay. That feels weird. So over there, make sure I can even up in here. Okay, ring finger. And then we're gonna rest. Okay, here. Yes. Yes,
Here we go.
Okay, so like right here. Yep, just go for it.
Oh, wait. Yay!
Y'all just had too much fun.
It is fun. Take her back. Okay, I changed my mind.
Blow it back. Blow it
You're
back.
inviting. I already have it, sis. You forgot to be in it. I'm coming. Okay.
That angle on the back, though, like, Shelby.
Shelby's the best sectioner in the world.
No, you're good. So take this. I love this. Here. Hold your phone. So good at this, Mackenzie.
Hey, Megan, when you open your barber school, are you going to let your students cut your hair?
Absolutely. I actually like it this length though. Like,
You could pull off that haircut. You look very mature.
I feel like I look like part of the Beatles right now. My bold head. You see my bold head?
Like you look, I'm giving like getting mom vibes, like real mom vibes, like
Real mom vibe.
like yeah, like a mom in your 50s.
Sweating. Open. Make sure this does not move. That stays there. Okay? Okay. Where's the comb? Shelby, you want me to do the first one? This is a great practice for the school. Or you can keep doing it right now. Let me do the first one. Okay.
This is making me
So we're
nervous.
gonna hold the hair, okay? I really changed my mind.
Too late, girl.
It looks good though.
What do they say? Gots to see it through, my boy.
Jonathan, what? Look at Jonathan.
We're taking a break. He's looking at it.
He still has towels.
Okay. Channing, Jonathan, Channing. That's me. I'm Amber.
Hi, Channing.
Hi.
It's like, who the hell is that?
Starla's on. Starla.
Hi, Scar.
Remember to bring
Oh, Star has no idea. Star has no idea. Are you balding it?
No, that's a 1.5.
Oh. Am I balding it?
I couldn't see that side. I was like,
I'm glad no one's in here right now but Jonathan.
It's just me.
he's an OG. So
Megan, you have a nice scalp.
Yeah. Thank you. In the words of Jim Carrey, it's very shaggy.
Starla said, what the hell? Starla said, what the hell? And Brittany Hodges said, hell yes, go for it.
Here you go. Channing, can you see?
Okay, you can make me do that.
Oh, yeah. We're gonna flip you.
Okay, there's an ear.
Oh!
Jenny already done that. See that work. There's none in the car.
no, the ears make me nervous. So, like I said, liability.
Ears make me nervous. It's not going to chop her ear off.
I'm a control freak, so I have to watch. What? Nothing. Just having flashbacks. You're having flashbacks when I shave my head at Eamon? Yes.
Oh, Lord.
I used to stay late. Yeah. I have a good face.
Megan cut her own hair during quarantine and it turned out all right.
Yo, she literally had it bald all the way up here. But we don't know her then. We've only seen pictures. Yeah.
This is a brand new Megan.
Like that person, same thing. You've seen it. It was like Teresa's. Yeah. Just like that. Literally.
Don't you have pictures of it? Like you did a photo shoot with it like that, right?
Yeah, I did. In my license picture, my hair is shaved underneath.
Oh, it is. Look, y'all. Old Megan's coming back.
I'm not going that short on top.
Are you cutting the top?
No. Yo, I'm gonna need a haircut. My hair.
It's gonna be all like.
Confused.
I'll trim it. I don't have nothing right now until 3:45.
Take your neck off. No, I'm taking it when I put my hair down.
It's gonna be.
Comb, push.
She's gonna have one long piece in the middle.
Alright, I handed it over to Quinn. Look at you. I'm so proud of you, Mackenzie.
Oh, not that part.
That point is on point right now, Mackenzie. Do not screw it up.
She's so cute.
She's like on
Look, babe. Put
Girl that was doing her dad.
Yeah, show me.
so. Press it. Don't go into the hairline though. Just flick it out.
Press it and grind it.
Press it and grind it.
Act like you know.
There you go. You're a natural.
Now flip it and go down with it.
What?
Turn it like this.
Uh-huh.
Oh yeah.
What?
Hey, Chris. Oh, Chris Land is watching.
So what about all these pieces right
Here,
here?
I'm gonna pull. You get in there and flick it.
Yeah, okay.
Everyone's gonna cut a part of my hair. Like, let's.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
I'm against this.
It's your turn next.
I ain't doing this.
Jonathan, you want to cut a part of your hair?
I'm sorry?
Do you want to cut?
Would you like to partake for this?
No, I think this should be left to the ladies.
We're gonna have to get that done.
I like these clippers.
What are you laughing at? Are you making faces in the mirror? Oh, because I can't Y'all, my face is a lot more round than
Oh my gosh.
Shut up.
Don't lie to yourself, don't hide
Why did I think that this was going to be a lot faster than it actually is?
Kristalina said YOLO.
Who?
Kristalina.
Girl, your hairline grows.
I know. This is going to be a bitch to grow out.
It's gonna come to a point.
it. We got snacks and everything today.
I'm on lunch right now, but I don't want to miss it.
Snacks.
Chickens.
Dinner and a show.
Now we gotta bleach it and do all kinds of shit.
Yep. Do you have to do that?
Yep.
Your hair grows sideways right here.
She's sideways.
Literally.
Monica.
Okay. Sorry.
Okay, Shelby, you come get your point.
What?
You do the point. I don't want to be responsible for this.
Yeah. Come do the point.
Come do your point. Oh, Jesus.
I have boogers in my nose.
Oh, chatting.
Hi. Give me your salad.
I like your shirt.
Thank you.
Your shit?
Look, oh yeah.
This look really suits you. It's her summer cut.
What's in the car with you? I have no idea. I thought you were talking to someone. What? Put it in my ear. That comb is really hot.
What? The comb? She says the comb is hot?
Maybe it's just my head.
Yeah.
Your scalp isn't used to it.
It happens to old people.
Bitch, you're older than me. Keep calling me old.
Nothing.
No.
We're talking shit about you.
Morgan says healthy, yeah.
Healthy.
Is that a local hero cut? Freaking Chris. Who's Jace?
Jace.
Jace
Yeah,
Charles Boyd
right.
should have let me do
Make
it.
his face.
Should have let you. Fucking Jace. Okay, I do want one other thing.
You want your sides tapered.
No, I want
Oh boy, you want a design?
I want it lined out.
You want the definition between here and here?
Yeah,
Do it.
absolutely.
Make it clean.
Go big or go home.
I want that.
I'm telling you.
I know.
You know, every person who's like, I want 2 lines. I'm like,
Nah.
You're that person.
And here you are.
You're not getting 2 lines. Like, that's just not happening. That's stupid. I want 2 lines. But it's gonna connect in the back. So. Josh Willem had this haircut.
Josh, that one?
Josh Willem, that's one with the good fade, right?
Where is Josh Woolham?
That's the one with the good fit.
Does he still come here?
He comes late
He
night.
comes late on Wednesday.
He's having a baby.
Her trimmers is having a baby.
Congrats, Josh.
Yes, man. I'll tell you. Okay, y'all see my hairline?
It needs to be tapered.
Ooh.
Okay, I'm gonna get off Facebook now.
Okay, bye. Say bye.
Bye.